UNQ Stone. Our extraordinary journey began 10 years ago in Brazil. We fell instantly and completely in love with the most artistic form Mother Nature can offer. A glimpse of creation transformed into a surface so magical that it allows humankind to achieve greatness through art. Nature is unique, incomparable, irreplaceable, and unsurpassed. We invite you to feel the magic behind our natural stone universe. Quarries are our passion. Our eyes are constantly focused on finding new quarries and different looks of stone, so we can get the most unique, luxurious, and sumptuous yet simple interiors to reach out to the world. From God's creation gallery to the earth, we search for the finest colors, surfaces, and trends in the stone business, creating a legacy of fascination for natural stone. From a fragment of stone in its most basic form, we turn roughness into a smooth, elegant, and desirable surface. We have a shape for every dream. We work hard to achieve precision in each step of production, carefully caring for stone with the best supplies. We appreciate the combination of a handmade production process with advanced technology, leading to perfection and individual personalization. UNQ Stone is a family company. We value loyalty and trust. Reliability and communication are the keys of our success, and we will proceed along this road, striving to rise beyond your expectations. We look forward to seeing you in Brazil. And remember, nature is unique.